And we start using social media as a primary source of education. Until very recently, social media was a secondary source of education. Now in the United States, major colleges are insisting their students don't come to lectures. Not all of them, but a number of them are saying, we don't want you to come, see it on Vimeo or YouTube, come in for the tutorial. Now I know that has weaknesses in terms of cutting people off from physical contact with their teachers. And I believe in that. I believe in humanizing the digital. From the student's point of view, it frees up time to have a job, and in an age of university debt, that's a pretty important thing. But this is the trend. It seems to be something that is happening. We need to make use of social media as a form of education tool. By 2025, it is estimated 75% of all studies in the US at tertiary level will be done online. 10% of Chinese education of all ages is currently done online.